The DJI Mavic Mini, is it worth it or not? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Hoarders. I'm your host Ali Khan, and today we're going to be checking out the DJI Mavic Mini. Now, some of you might have already checked it out and have it and may love it. We just want to find if it's worth it or not for something that is for $400 by itself, and you get the Fly More or the add-on pack for about $500. Let's see. All right, so we already wrapped it out. We've been testing it out ourselves, so this is the beauty. It's pretty small and compact. Let's open and find out what's inside. Obviously, more batteries, because we got the Fly More pack. So you get more power and the ability to sort of fly. Nice little packaging. Okay, so that's definitely a plus. And what's inside here? Okay. Oh, okay. So it has like a multiple battery charger. That's pretty great. It's got. All right. I guess these are additional propellers in the box. Yep. So just gonna break it up for you guys. Okay. Charging cable. This is the remote connector, which let me show you. It's the same kind of design. It's very small and compact, and you can always connect your. I don't think it does for iPad unless without an attachment, but you can put in your smartphone right away, and I believe it's iOS and Android compatible, so that's great. The same kind of antenna. Okay, what else do we have? Inside is a mini screwdriver, so sort of tweaking. And this is what I found very interesting. These knobs actually come off, so you can actually screw off and really put it, in your backpack if you're really on the run and gun. This is small enough as is, but that's pretty cool. So additional controller, an additional charging wire. That's pretty much it. Okay, great. All right, so we had the goodies, and wow, this is tiny. I mean, this is palm. It's smaller than my palm. Well, my hand. Something? I can't even see it. Okay, I can do this with it. Oh! I mean, look, it's a very small, snazzy camera, which is under the flight limit for a lot of the FAA, the flight regulation that sort of controls what you can fly drones with or without a certain licensure. So it's underneath that weight limit without, just to disclose, without the propeller guard. But this is pretty nice, and let's see where it flicks out to. All right. Okay. So these are the twist side. This is super light. I can hold it with like 2 fingers. Now you can definitely do those landing and take. Oh, okay. Yeah. Propeller's on the upside. This is very small. It has a protector for the screen. I'm sorry. It has a protector for the camera itself, so you don't scratch up the lens, and it does both the what is the x-axis, right? Is it X or Y?
It's a gimbal, right? So it does X, Y.
X, Y.
Z is going in and out, but you can't go in
So
and
it
out.
does the, so pick up. It does the X and Y axes, so thank you for confirming it back there. Always appreciate that. So I mean, this is pretty much it. For something that's this small that you can really throw in your backpack, and it's ready to rock and roll, not bad. I think we shot some footage that let's see what the footage looks like. We've got some B-roll footage testing this thing to the paces, and we'll come back and figure out if it's worth it or not. That was some amazing footage. Again, we gave it a shot, ran around. We took a trip outside this country before COVID-19, so everyone's safe. And it looked great. I mean, the verdict pretty much on this drone essentially is it worth it or not? Yes, it's worth it for $400 to $500 as compared to the full package for the Mavic Pro, which you're looking at about $1,200 to $1,000, and you can go up. Then there's the Pro models and everything else, but for us, this is definitely worth it. A few different notes before we close out. Again, the connectors are there for both, as I said, for Android and well as the iOS. So we've got dual system running. I believe in one thing that's very critical. It doesn't shoot 4K. So this is going to give you the 2.7, which is the Ultra HD, right? Which is still fine for something that's this weight and this easy to transport. So again, simple, straight. Yes, it's worth the buy. Again, adding small enough camera. Just the point, we've shot it indoor also, so you don't have to worry about a lot of the restraints from a larger camera. You know, when you're flying, the propellers can actually blow things up and out of the way and everything else. It doesn't look like a true crane shot. So if you're trying to pull off some crane shots, and it's really amazing. You can do obviously following and track motion, all the other good stuff. But again, only thing I want to talk about is it's not 4K, but it's still worth it. Absolutely it is. You're going to do those parallax shot, all the same that you can pull off with the larger cameras, you can do the same here. So, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Our feedback of if is it worth it or not. Yes, it is. And again, join us, like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.